Dashboard lights and electrical issues are increasingly complex in modern cars. Here are the top 5 reasons why your lights might not be working. First, blown fuses. Electrical overloads or short circuits can blow fuses, affecting multiple systems simultaneously. A digital multimeter is essential for proper fuse testing. Second, faulty bulbs and LEDs. Traditional bulbs burn out from filament failure, while LEDs last much longer but are significantly more expensive to replace, sometimes requiring entire unit replacements. Third, corroded connections. Moisture and temperature changes cause corrosion at connection points. Regular inspection and applying dielectric grease can prevent these issues. Thermal imaging is now used for advanced connection analysis. Fourth, faulty alternators. A failing alternator can dim lights and trigger battery warnings. Modern smart alternators with variable output control add complexity to diagnosis and repair. Finally, battery issues. Old or corroded batteries with insufficient charge cause multiple problems. Modern cars are highly sensitive to voltage fluctuations, and battery life has decreased from 5 to 6 years to just 3 to 4 years due to increased electrical demands. These 5 causes account for the majority of electrical and dashboard light failures. Remember that electrical system failures now account for 23% of all vehicle breakdowns, with repair costs increasing 34% from 2020 to 2024. Beyond basic electrical problems, modern vehicles present complex issues that require advanced diagnostic techniques and specialized tools. Damaged wiring harnesses are a major concern in modern vehicles. Luxury cars contain over 1 mile of wiring, making diagnosis challenging. Poor ground connections affect the entire electrical system. Modern vehicles have multiple ground points that require integrity testing. Relay failures affect high current circuits. Modern smart relays have diagnostic capabilities, but traditional testing methods remain essential. Body control module malfunctions can affect numerous systems simultaneously. These require software updates or complete module replacement. Modern diagnostics require sophisticated approaches, including network scanning, component-level testing, and software validation for accurate problem identification.